So, Alex, it's nice to finally meet in person.
Absolutely, Sarah. Your profile pictures didn't do justice to how stunning you are in real life.
Thank you. You're quite charming yourself.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Let's start with a bottle of your finest red wine, please.
Sounds great. And for appetizers, how about the bruschetta?
Excellent choices. I'll get that for you right away.
So, Alex, tell me more about yourself. What do you do?
I work in marketing, but my passion is photography. I love capturing moments.
That's fascinating. I'm a graphic designer, so we share a creative side.
Are you ready to order your main dishes?
I'll go for the grilled salmon, please.
I'll have the chicken piccata. And can we get a side of roasted vegetables?
Of course. Your choices sound delicious.
So, Alex, any funny dating stories you'd like to share?
Well, there was this one time when my date mistook the salt for sugar. Let's just say it was an interesting dessert.
Here are your dishes. Enjoy your meal. Would you like to see our dessert menu?
Absolutely. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is quite popular, or there's the classic tiramisu.
Let's go for the chocolate lava cake. What do you think, Alex?
Sounds like a sweet ending to a great evening.
Alex, I had a wonderful time tonight.
Me too, Sarah. We should do this again.
Here's your bill. Whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Keep the change.
It's nice to see you again, Alex.
Likewise, Sarah. I couldn't stop thinking about our last dinner.
So, any exciting photography projects lately?
Actually, yes. I'm working on a series capturing cityscapes at sunrise.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to see your work sometime.
I heard you enjoy hiking. Any favorite trails?
Absolutely. I love the trails up in the mountains. The views are breathtaking.
I'm a night owl. I love staying up late editing photos.
Oh, I'm more of a morning person. Early sunlight inspires my creativity. I recently discovered this amazing Thai place downtown.
Thai food is fantastic. We should check it out together sometime.
I had a great time, Alex.
Me too, Sarah. Let's make sure we do this again soon.
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hey Alex, I'm Sam. Excited for this class?
Welcome, both of you. I'm Ms. Johnson. Let's dive into our first lesson on history.
History can be fascinating, don't you think?
Totally. But dates and names always confuse me.
No worries, Sam. Let's make it engaging. Alex, any historical figure you find intriguing?
I think learning history through debates would be cool.
True, it'd make things more memorable.
Excellent idea. Let's organize a class debate next week.
Ms. Johnson, the last assignment was tough.
Yeah, I struggled a bit too.
Challenges help us grow. Let's review it together in the next class.
Ms. Johnson, do you have a favorite historical event?
The Renaissance is captivating. What about you two?
I'm intrigued by ancient civilizations.
A history field trip would be awesome.
Imagine exploring a museum or historical site.
Great idea. Let's plan a memorable trip next month.
Midterms are around the corner. Feeling the pressure?
Definitely. How can we prepare better?
Let's have a review session and discuss study strategies.
Ms. Johnson, these history lessons teach us more than facts.
Yeah, critical thinking and understanding different perspectives.
History is a lens into the complexities of human experience.
The school year's ending. Reflecting on what we've learned.
It's been an unforgettable journey.
I'm proud of your growth. Keep exploring history in your own unique ways.